I'm done. I am fucking done with people. Welcome back, guys. Right now, I'm just trying to calm myself. I'm trying to compose myself, and I am trying to collect my thoughts right now. I just came back from riding. I wanted to do a review or a first time impression on this Clockworks 9-inch Sport Flare, but I don't know what it is. I don't know what with people. Today's not the day to ride because I literally took out the bike. Not even 45 minutes out on the road. Not even 45 minutes out on the road. I literally almost got slammed into by BMW at a red light. I don't know what the guy was thinking. He barely just missed me. It would have been literally, I probably would have been freaking in the hospital laying down somewhere. But not even 10 minutes later, I'm driving down a residential street just to go home because you know what? I said to myself, today's not the day to ride. And today is not the day to I just had a feeling. So I literally wanted to go back home, put the bike away, and then do this another day. And I wasn't going to make this video. But I was going down a residential street, and this fucking lady in a fucking Corolla almost sideswipes me because she fucking doesn't stop at the fucking stop sign. And then has the balls to come up to me and saying that I'm dangerous. You know what? There's a lot of choice words I had to say to her. But you know what? First off, coming down a residential street, I wasn't even going fast. If you think I was going 100 miles an hour, you're wrong. I just wanted to get home, be safe, and that's it. But she has the balls to tell me I'm dangerous. I didn't see you. Well, is it my problem that you didn't see me? Is it my problem? Is it my problem that you didn't stop at the stop sign and look? No, it's not. And this is what I really want to talk to you about is the people here in this tri-state area. It doesn't matter if it's Jersey, New York, Connecticut. I've been riding for 10 years now. And I do believe some of these people that live around here are just so irresponsible at driving, are so distracted at driving, are so I can't even think right now. But I just have to say, you know, I have a family. I want to go home to that family. I love riding my motorcycles. And I'm only talking about myself. But I try to be really responsible when I'm on two wheels. I understand at a 10, 15 mile an hour crash, I could be dead. Literally. If you just tap me at 15 miles an hour, I could be dead. Or the person who's on the motorcycle you hit going that slow can be dead. Then what do you think is going to happen at 30 miles an hour, 40 miles an hour, or when you blow that stop sign? And I was sitting at a red light, like I said, in the freaking BMW. I heard this tire screech, and he barely missed me. Barely missed me. And it's a rude awakening for people. If you don't start, people that drive. I'm sorry, I'm rambling. But I want those people that drive in cars and never been on a motorcycle. I want you to go find a responsible friend that rides a motorcycle and go with them for one day and see how irresponsible most drivers here in the tri-state are. You're always on your phones. You're always trying to find that stupid channel that you want to listen to, that awesome song. You want to show off. You want to rev your engine, and you call us irresponsible. New York recently passed a law that they're going to crack down on loud pipes. You're going to crack down on something that literally, this is louder than my horn. I have all these awesome lights on here, and you're going to you're going to penalize me for being too loud because I'm annoying to the people around me. At the end of the day, I really, really, really am just agitated and pissed off at people because it's not just today. It's every day. At least every time I go out on this bike, there's one irresponsible person that switches lanes and doesn't look, one who rolls through the stop signs, the one who almost slams into people. And that's not just on a motorcycle, that's in general. Come on, people. You are driving a car. I understand that we have all these safety features on a car. We can make these cars go fucking fast as hell. But the people behind it, and the one that controlling it, are the ones that are just plain irresponsible. And I'm tired of it. I worked for FedEx before. I got my license, I was still working at FedEx. I was out on the road every day as a courier. I did that for 6 years of my life. From basically 2006 to 2012. Even then, out on the FedEx truck, I was out on the road so much. People at the time, even though we didn't learn how to text yet, even people were on their cell phones. People are not paying attention to the road. It's just mind-boggling how people aren't responsible anymore. And then another thing is, like they think we're the bad guys on the motorcycle. It's just really frustrating, and I finally had enough, and I really wanted to get this message out here. My message is to people that are behind in cages. My message to you is be more effing responsible. Seriously, get off your phone, get off the radio. If you have to pull over, pull over. If your kid in the back is screaming bloody murder, pull over and see what's wrong. Don't just like, oh, I'm gonna turn around and just swerve everywhere. If you see a motorcyclist, you see a regular car, you see a smaller car, you see a truck, I don't get it. Like, you have to be more responsible, literally. Because at the end of the day, I want to go home to my family just like everyone else. I have shit to do when I go home. Like it's mind-boggling how what people do in cars. You know, look, I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm not a fucking saint in the car too, but I understand risk reward, and I understand that if I hit someone with my car, who knows what's gonna happen? If I hit someone on a motorcycle, who knows what's gonna happen? I try to limit those risks, but people just don't care, and that's the problem. Once you start caring when it's too late. When you hit somebody, when you hit that motorcyclist, when you hit that person on a bike, when you hit that pedestrian, oh my God, you know how many times I've stood in a crosswalk where it says yield to people crossing and people just blow right by you? Like, come on, man. Like it's just, I'm tired. I'm done. I really, really am done with this. And I hope whoever listens to this, but as a motorcyclist, me personally, I try to ride safe, I try to be responsible, and I try to do everything that's necessary so I can get to go home to my family. And something people like you on the road who just don't like motorcycles, who think we're dangerous, who think that, yeah, some people are dangerous with motorcycles. But at the end of the day, if someone's just trying to enjoy their machine, and you decide to look down just to see who texted me or this or that or anything, just don't. Just look up, pay attention. If you have to, pull the F over and just do what you have to do. But I don't know. I know I'm rambling now, but at the end of the day, you know, as a society that drives cars, we're privileged to drive a car. When you get your license, you're privileged to drive a car because around the world, not a lot of people have cars. And you really, really, really have to be responsible in doing that. And you know what? If it takes someone like me to ramble on about being irresponsible, so be it. But to the guy who almost slammed into me at the BMW, just get off the phone, pay attention to the road. And to the lady who yelled at me because I was irresponsible because she blew the stop sign and I wasn't even going fast. I was going freaking 20 miles an hour. I wasn't even going that fast. To that lady, learn the driver's manual again, because obviously you don't know what's going on and you have the audacity to tell me that I'm wrong because I'm riding a motorcycle. You know what, lady? Your license should be taken away. But anyway, guys, thanks for listening to me rant. The review on this windshield will be coming out soon. I don't know when I'll do it. Around here it's going to snow. And happy holidays. Peace out.